Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about translate and replace function in Oracle database. So this all point I already written to save some time. So and here I'm using Toad for Oracle and so first is translate function. So this will replace the set of characters, character by character. So it replaces set of character, character by character. So this is the syntax here. Translate hereafter a string old char hereafter new char. So suppose if I enter at a selector translate here I enter the string United State and here old character I enter T and here replace by XY. So if I'm going to execute, so see at here I'm getting the output U N I X Y T. So U and I. So when that font TE. So add here T that font. So in place of T that comes XY. So that here U and I here after in place of T that replaced by XY. Here after D. So D no any changes. Now here after S. Here that come T. So when that font add here T. So T is matched here. So it replace character by character. So in place of T, it's a coming X. So see at here, it's a X, it's a coming. Now here after A, no any changes. Here after TE. So T it's a coming. So in place of T, it's a coming here XY. So this the things here. So it replace the character by character. Now suppose I enter selector translate, I enter United States. So when that font T, so in place of T, it will T capital T replaced by a small t. So let's execute here. So see when that font capital T, so it's replaced by a small t. So it replaced by suppose if I enter TT and here if I give U N I double T E D. So let's execute this query. See what happened. U N I it's okay. So when that font TT. So when that font TT, so at here it's a displaying TT. So see at here. So at here there are two T. Okay. And here. So when that font TT, so it should be display T, but according to translate function, so it replaced by character by character. So when that font T, so it's coming T here. When that font here T again, so it's coming T here. So here. So that it's a display United UNITED and after when that font T so it is replaced by a small t. Now here after let's see the table. So this is the table. So inside if you want to job, so add here job. So job column. So when that in job column when that font any capital E, so you can replace by a small e. So let's execute that. So see out here when that font capital E so it replaced by a small e. Now here I just put double E. So see out here when that font E so it's taking only one character. Here this is the definition character by character. So E so it only replaced by one E. So no matter you can give a small e many times or anytime. So it replaces only one character. So see at here E small e replaced by so at here capital E it's replaced by only first small e. So this is about our translate function. Now let's see about replace function. So this replace set of characters a string by a string. Suppose if I enter United States and here when that font TE so it replaced by XY. So when that font UNITE. So in place of T, it's showing XY and hereafter D. So when that font T again. So add here T here that font, but no any chances. So when that font TE, then it replaced by small xy. So this is the things. Yeah. Now let's see the records. So let's see the records EMP table. Right here I'm going to use EMP table, and in table when that in job columns when that font or capital E, so it replaced by double E. So let's execute that one. So see at a job, so when that font capital E, so it replaced by here double E. So this is the difference here between replace and translate function. So it replaced by character by character. So at here I've given so many e's at here, but it take only one e, character by character. But it to replace a string by a string. So when that font capital E, so it replaced by a small two times a small e. So e two times a small e. So you give at here u d t whatever. So when that font is small e, so it replaced by double e four times t. So this is the difference between translate and replace function in Oracle database. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.